Good evening, everyone. My name is Maisa, and today I'm going to present 5 different testing items based on discrete point techniques. And these items are designed to assess grammar, vocabulary, and sentences structure using a family and friends unit. Okay, so the first technique is transformation. So the objective here is test the use of the present simple. So it's going to be a sentences like in this example, and in parentheses the verb. And this kind of exercise helps assess their understanding of affirmative and negative forms in the present simple. One challenge was using that the instructions were clear so that students knew exactly what to do. So, for example, here rewrite the sentences using the correct form in parentheses to specify affirmative or negative. And here I put 5 more examples with the same structure. The second one will be completion. So these techniques focus on vocabulary, and this reinforces their understanding of collocation, like go, play, and have. So we have a specific verbs for just 5 sentences. So they have to choose for each one. They have to understand the meaning of this kind of sentences. But the problem is just distractors that were valid but incorrect, to avoid having students respond by elimination. And the third one will be matching elements. So here, students match the verbs to nouns, testing their ability to recognize common collocation. And so it's a simple way to assess vocabulary in context. So they have to choose one number and one letter. And the challenge was to avoid combinations that were too obvious maybe or irrelevant to the course objectives. And the fourth one is multiple choice. So this is one of the most common techniques to test comprehension and grammar. And for example, we have Tina always, and we have alternatives here, and they have to choose the correct answer, like the instruction says. And the problem found it's that it was to create the structures that are grammatically incorrect, but not too obvious. And here I add more examples with different alternatives, but with the same structure. And finally, the re-engagement. This technique helps students to practice sentences structure. So this ensures that they understand word order in English. So they have to put the correct words in the correct order to make complete sentences, as here the example. A problem found is to create an organized sentence that were not confusing or overly simple. So that was a kind of difficult in that part. And also here I add more examples to understand or to practice this kind of technique. In like a conclusion, designing this exercise required careful thought to ensure the instructions were clear and there was only one correct answer. So each technique targets a specific language skills like grammar or vocabulary. Thanks for watching, and that's all.